Okay, good morning again. So let us take a deep breath in now. Start it now. Open up. Hold few seconds and release. 2, open up. Hold few seconds and release. 3, hold few seconds, release. 4 again. Deep breathe in, hold for a few seconds and release. Again. Hold few seconds, release. Let us do a simple standing stretch wherever we are. Just stand parallelly. Hands next close to the body. The other hand goes up, 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 up. Slightly bend. Feel the stretch on your sides. You just got up. You're trying to stretch your body. Okay, slowly come back. Okay, now on the other side, hands up, stretch, stretch, stretch. Yes. Okay, as much as possible. Hands close to the body. Feel the stretch on your sides. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Now clasp your hands. Opposite. Lift your hands up. Lift yourself up. Imagine you have been pulled. Stretch, stretch your spine. You have seen the animals stretching once they get up. Full stretch. You have seen the cat stretching. You can be just stretching like this. Yes, full stretch. Full stretch. Full stretch. Yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. So any animal or a bird, even the birds also stretch. The birds, they want to fully open up their wings and stretch. Okay. So that is what we do by stretching. Now let's start working out now. Let us rotate our hands now. Come on. Okay. Start rotating your hands. Let the engine start. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Reverse. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Sidewise, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Reverse, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. March fast now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep the hands straight. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Okay, you warmed up. Now, let's do the eagle breathing. Stand on your toes. You're going to lift up, open your wings, and breathe out. When you are opening up, you're breathing in, breathe out to the nose. Okay, let us start. 15 counts only. Okay. So whenever you are on the toes, you build your calf muscles. Calf muscles is the second part. Okay. Now let's do one more shoulder stretching. Hands straight here. Okay. Let us do a full rotation here wherever it is possible. Okay, as much as possible. 1. Swing 2. Easy swing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Keep the hands straight. 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, one more shoulder now. Hands up, straight. Slow rotation, come on, slow rotation. 1, small circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse now. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Painting. Good. You're going to build your shoulder muscles. 5. Keep the hands straight. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last again. 2 rounds. Come on. Big rounds. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 13, 14, 15. Last 10, 15. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Rest. Very good, sir. Very, very, very good, sir. So all of you would have had a small pain there in the shoulders. The shoulders will build up, help you take more responsibilities. You've heard the word shouldering the responsibilities. You need to have broad shoulders. Yeah, you can do by pull-ups. Okay. Let's relax our shoulder joints. Yes. Press. Full press on the other side. Release the stress in that. Okay. Yes. One more. Shoulder rotation. Hold the shoulders. Okay. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good. Now, let's do a little bit of cardio now. So cardio is basically for the cardiovascular health, for the heart health, the lungs health, everything. Okay, first what we'll do is we lift the hands up, we jump up and land on our toes for 100 counts. We'll be doing 2 sets of this with jumping jacks. So now, when you are lifting your hands up, it will, okay, so it will be possibly you might have additional pain if you are not done this, but it will help you to expand your lung capacity. Okay, that's what we want. We have the lungs already in place. We want to use the lungs to the maximum. And when you are jumping up and landing on your toes, you're building your calf muscles. Okay, 2 things are there. So working on the calf muscles, working on the shoulders, as well as on the lungs and the cardio. So lift your hands up. Okay, jump up. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, hands straight. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. Keep doing it. So you're warming up our body right now. It's quite sunny here in Mangalore. Possibly Bangalore would be cloudy or chill. You need to slightly warm up. Okay, come on. This is a very good training. I always call it the army training or the army punishment, wherein the soldier, for any punishment, is to made to run, holding the rifle up and go. But no doubt what, this is going to be really very good. It will boost your oxygen intake because you open up your lungs and doing this cardio. So anywhere when you are running, do this for a few minutes. You'll feel the difference after you stop it. Okay. So if you do this jogging right now, you feel running is the easiest thing to do. Okay. Now let's go for jumping jacks. Only 50 counts. People can do slow. People can do more. People can do less counts. If you're doing for the very first time, let's only hit 50 right now. Okay. 50 jumping jacks. Okay. Let us start. Enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 10, 10, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Again, come back. Keep your hands up. Let's do 100 counts. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, when you build your cardiovascular strength, it helps you. You would like to run sometimes, okay? But to keep yourself active. You're increasing your heartbeat in the process. You're increasing your oxygen intake, which is very much required because nowadays we are doing shallow breathing. Want to know how it is? Look at the baby. The sleeping baby, you can see the stomach, that one going very up and down. That's the way we need to breathe. So because of shallow breathing, got a lot of issues. Okay, very good. Very good. I can feel the sweat coming down. Okay, come on, last 50. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. The calf muscles are building up. Come on, land on your toes. Yes. Come on, last 20. Hands straight. Hands straight. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Jog. 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 Very good. Very comfortable. Okay. That's 50 counts of jumping jacks again. Come on. 50 countings of jumping jacks again. Do it slowly if it's not possible, or else have the do it in your own pace. Okay. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy. You're becoming stronger day by day, and this will help you to burn your fat. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Just keep doing. When you're doing breathing out, use the face. So when you're breathing out through the mouth, you do this technique so that you're able to burn the facial fat also. Okay? Let's do last 40 counts. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Last 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 9. Come on. 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, and 1. Okay, come for slow jogging. Relax yourself. You've done a very good, 5 to 7 minutes of cardio. More than a kilometer you have run. Very good, super. Just relax and run. Okay, if you're on the mat, walk front, walk back, walk front, walk back. Good. Yes. Now the Josh starts. Everywhere, beginning the workout is tough, but once you're 10 minutes into the workout, it will push you through. Okay, the starting is the problem. Okay. Now, let's do one more cardio. We'll do sit-ups. Okay, we have done jumping sit, squats the other day. We'll do just sitting down, going down, hold your ears. The punishment which we used to have in school. Hold your ears, go down, and let us do the buskies. Okay, 20 counts. We'll do through sets for the thighs and the legs. Okay, so we have to go down as much as possible, possibly in the squatting position as in the Indian toilet. Okay, so if you're using the Indian toilet, it's got a lot of benefits, or else you should use some, stool or something to get that if you have a commode. Okay, let's do 20 counts only. With Josh, look straight. Okay, right, start here. 1, good. 2, yes, aram se. 3, 4, enjoy. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Take some relaxation. What are we trying to do? We're trying to build the muscles. When you build the muscles, the fat starts burning on its own. Okay. So let's have some muscles. The muscle BMR is more, basal metabolism rate. They consume a lot of calories more than fat to maintain itself. So in the process, they burn. The bodybuilders, they don't work out every day. Alternate days only they work out and give rest, more muscles will be formed. Okay, so we don't have to do too much of anything. Do moderately, enjoy, relax. Fitness is all about doing little things every day. You don't do too many of things, okay, but active throughout the day. How to be active throughout the day? If you're working on your PC, if you want a glass of water, don't ask your wife for a glass of water. Get up, go to the kitchen, take the jug, pour it, and come back and sit. Don't give orders from your chair. Walk up, because that is also what is required all during the day. Come on. 20 more counts. Yes. Powerful. With Josh. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Thigh spinning. Build your muscles. Come on, last 4, 3, 2, last 1. Yes, good. Super. Relax, move around, move around, move around. Yes, very good. Super. Okay. Let's do a Trikonasana stretch. Okay. Keep your legs wider. Okay. We're doing for the very first time. We're keeping both the feet perpendicular to each other in all the other poses so that you don't slip off. Okay, perpendicular to each other is that can go as much as possible so that you don't slip off. So that will be the posture in the legs. Okay, as much as possible, keep the legs straight. So now keep the legs straight, parallel, double shoulder distance, double shoulder distance. Take your hand, slide down, slide down, slide down, slide down, slide down. Catch your ankle. Look up straight. Look at your fingertips. Now the count starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. Now on the other side. Okay. So we have all the organs on the sides. Pancreas, gallbladder, everything. On the right side, we have the spleen on the left side. So all the organs will get activated. On the other side now, slide your hands, keep your legs straight. Okay. Okay. Look at your fingertips. Yes. Form a triangle. Count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. Okay. Now, in the same stance, what we'll do right now is we'll be going to Virabhadrasana. Okay. Virabhadrasana is very similar to Trikonasana, only that we are going to bend our thighs parallel to the hip thighs parallel to the ground. Okay. In any asana, you're trying to open up your hips. It's basically you're trying to gather the energy from the earth. Okay, so that is the purpose in whenever you do a spreading. Okay, so now next parallel stance. Okay, thighs parallel to the ground. Keep your hands straight. Look at your fingertips. Push down as much as possible. Your count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, very good. Now on the other side, do it slowly. Push it up, push down, push down. Okay. Yes, very good. Very good. Go down. Yes. The count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good stretch. Okay. We'll do one more stretch here only. Very simple stretch. Okay. With the leg spread. Keep your legs, parallel stance. Just widen the legs, double shoulders. Okay. Hold your head. Now we'll bend so that we try to touch our elbows to the knees. Both sides. Keep the knees straight. Okay. So 1. Push down slowly. Yes. 1. Okay. 2. Slowly. Yes. 3. And 4. Focus on your spine when you do this. Whenever the spine is activated, the bone marrow is activated. And bone marrow has got a lot of good cells which are being produced. Okay? Keep doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the stretch. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Right. Good. So we have done some standing workouts. We go for the ground workouts now. Little bit of ground workouts. You can see me on the floor. Okay. Just sit on the mat. First one, we'll do very good pose for the abdomen area, stomach fat burning, called as the Navakasana pose. We have to be in the boat pose. This is boat, V shape, and then we form the boat. Okay. So count is 20 counts. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't hold up the breath. Let us do a good 20 counts. Navakasana. Okay. Yes. Legs straight, hands straight. Look at your knees. Very good. Come on. Your count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Relax. This is a very good pose for relaxation. You know, just lying down and up. A very, very good relaxation position. We'll do one more round of Navakasana. Okay. Straight. Straight. Yes. The boat is ready. It's going on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now we'll do for the sides here again. You can catch hold of a pillow or anything. If pillow is not there, leave it. Just do empty-handed. Okay. Legs up, cross it, turn and turn. And when you're turning, make up sure that you think about triggering the organs on the side. Liver, pancreas, gallbladder, whatever you have learned yesterday, and on the spleen on the left side. Okay. All the organs has to be activated because this is the side fat we typically we build because we sit a lot of time in office. So be mindful on this exercise. Turn as much as possible. Turn as much. 20 counts. We'll do 2 sets. Okay. Either you can rest it on the ground. If you want to challenge, take it up. Okay. Let us start now. 1. Imagine a ball. You're passing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Just relax a bit. Okay. One more round for the side fat. Okay. Cross leg. 1. Push as much as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yes. Relax. Relax. Okay. So let's move on the ground. You can lie down on the mat and we'll do some flutter kicks. Just lie down on the mat. Okay. Again, legs up straight. Legs up straight. As if you're going to swim, you're going to hit the water with the toes. Keep the toes straight. Okay. Let us do it right now. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. Feel the catch. Okay. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, relax, relax. Okay, we'll do 20 counts one more time. Okay. So basically, flutter kicks for your lower abdomen. Okay, and the middle also. Let's do it right now. Come on. Yes, come on, let's do flutter, hit the water. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Superb, 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 superb. All of you doing very well. Superb. Okay. Let's do some workout for the back. Why back? I always told you, we lose a posture when we're sitting in the office chair or even the sofa also. So we need to build the back muscle. Okay. So we need to do the Superman pose and the Iron Man pose. All of you on the mat. Okay. Hope you can see me. Yeah. You can see me. Okay, fine. So you now both hands straight. Look up straight. Both legs off the ground. You're flying now. Yes. Start flying. The count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Rest in crocodile pose. Go to crocodile pose and rest. Yes. It's a very good pose for relaxation. You have seen the oxygen content is more when you are in this pose. People have checked and forwarded videos on this. You are very much aware. Okay. Now let's go for the Iron Man pose. Okay. Basic idea is only our stomach is resting on the floor, mat. Everything else is off the ground. Okay. Make a fist. Pull tight. Up. Yes. You're on the air and now you're flying like the Iron Man. Okay, come on. The count starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each count move up, move up. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, relax. Okay. Now, slowly come up. Your last one round of workout here. Then we go to the meditation. So what we're going to do is, all of you know the Parvatasana and the Bhujangasana. So we'll be doing for 10 counts. Okay. So on the mat, slowly come up. Yes. So you are breathing in this pose and breathing out when you're coming to the Bhujangasana pose. Okay. So when you do this poses, imagine your body is bending up on the other side. So when you're doing that, all the chakras in the body will be energized. Okay. See, when you make it a point to bend your neck so that the neck chakra or the throat chakra also is energized. Try to bend as much as possible the forehead so that the forehead chakra also is energized. So all the chakras get energized in this position. It gives an energizing feeling. Suppose if you have only 15 minutes and you don't have to work out, ensure you do this at least. You immediately feel energized if you are unable to do any proper workouts. Surya Namaskar is the best option. We have a lot of other steps also. It's a simpler one. Okay, 10 counts. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go to child pose now and relax. Okay, slowly come up. Let us go for the meditation. All of you slowly sit in Vajrasana pose if it's possible, or Sukhasana pose, whichever you are comfortable. Okay. Let us do the Bhastrika right now. So all of you know very well what is the Bhastrika. We hold our fist in front of our hands, forcibly breathing in, breathing out through the nostrils. 20 counts. I'll be breathing out, so we have the counts there. 2 sets we do, followed with Anulom Vilom, left hand to right side breathing. Most of you know. People who don't know can watch and follow. And we'll do Kapalbhati. That is the forcible stomach breathing, but pushing the abdomen. Okay. And then we'll lie down and do some meditation. Okay. Close your eyes. We are at 7:35, 7:40. By 7:55 to 8, we'll be closing the class. You can keep the eyes closed for the next 20 minutes and enjoy the blissful moment. Slowly deep breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold a few seconds. Breathe out. Okay. The eyes closed. Fists in front of your shoulders. Come to position. Let us start now. Breathe in. Relax. Observe your heart area. Observe the vibrations in your chest area. Feel the calmness entering you. Feel the prana energy generated within you. You're connecting to your inner self. Okay. Back to position. Fist in front of your shoulders. We'll do one more 20 counts. Let us start. Relax. Observe the vibrations in your chest area. Feel the relaxations in your heart area. Just observe the feelings. Okay. Slowly change your posture from Vajrasana pose to Sukhasana pose. Or you can go to Padmasana pose also as well. Keep your spine straight. You have to connect to the universe now. So this posture is always done with the spine straight. Either sitting down or you can sit on the chair as well if it's unable for you. Okay. Get the hands in front of you. The forefinger and the middle finger on your forehead. The small finger and the ring finger on the left nostril, the thumb on the right nostril. So let us breathe into the left nostril first. Slowly breathe in till the count of 5. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2. Breathe into the right nostril again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close the right nostril. Hold for 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out to the left nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2. Breathe in again. As you breathe in, imagine the goodness of universe, peace, happiness, calmness entering you. Hold the breath. Imagine the good oxygen exchanging, releasing all the toxins, and breathe out all the toxins from the body. Toxins of emotions, toxins of thoughts, everything getting flushed off. Again, breathe into the right nostril, slowly, 5 seconds. Hold for 5 seconds. And breathe out for 5 seconds. As you do this, the left nostril represents the emotional quotient, the right nostril represents the intelligent quotient. Okay, so we want to balance both of this. Otherwise, our rocket will go one-sided, either left or right. We want the rocket to go straight up. So we want to balance our body. Okay. Do a couple of more times. This is the one of the pranayama which can be done immediately after food also. Or if you are going for a deep study, just do some 5, 7, 8 counts of this pranayama and then go for deep study. You will not forget it. It's so very powerful. It relaxes the body, balances the body, and gives us a clarity of thought. Okay. Now, come back to position. We'll go to the Kapalbhati now. Forcible breathing in the abdominal area. 20 counts. We'll do 2 sets. Okay. Let's start. Breathe in. Kapalabhati is basically controlling heartbeat, good for digestion in the body. So as an yoga, just one more round of Kapalabhati, forcible breathing. Imagine force your abdomen to go inside. Okay, 20 counts. Okay, relax. Slowly normalize your breathing. Now, slowly and slowly, take support of your arms and slowly lie down in the Shavasana pose. Take support of your arms, slide down on the left side, and then slowly go to Shavasana pose. Okay, relax your feet. Feet, fingers pointed opposite directions. Relax your ankle. Relax your calf muscles. Release them. You're not holding any muscles. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax your waist. Relax your back. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms, your forearms, palms facing upwards. Relax your neck. Relax your face. Relax your eyebrows. Have a gentle smile on your face. You are in a totally relaxed state now. Slowly, slowly imagine yourself like a feather. A very, very, very light feather just floating above the ground, above the mat. You are 1 inch above the mat now, just floating. Okay. So as you are in this state, I'll speak some spoken words which you can imagine for yourself with feeling. I am the best. I am born to win. God is with me always. With God, everything is possible. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. I am becoming physically fit. I am becoming mentally fit. I am becoming emotionally fit. I am becoming spiritually fit. I am becoming financially fit. I am a winner. God is with me always. With God, everything is possible. Today is a great day. Every day is a great day for me. I get whatever I want. I'm a winner. I'm enjoying this life big time. Thanks God for giving me all the best things in life. Best family, best career, best business, best health, and all the best things in life. Thanks God for keeping me fit, healthy, peaceful, happy, calm always. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. Now relax yourself. I won't be speaking for a couple of minutes. Just relax, the deep breathing state. Okay. Slowly turn to your right side. Take support of your arms. Slowly come up. Slowly sit in Vajrasana position. Okay. You can slowly rub your hands together now. Do the palming. Whatever energy you have generated, it should be for you. Touch your face, your eyes, your head. Do the palming. Energy to your shoulders and all parts of the body. Just rub. That's why it's very important we use a mat. We don't want the energy to be grounded. We want for us. That's why every time yoga is done, meditation is done, it's done on some mat. Okay. Now with a gentle smile on your face, slowly and slowly open your eyes. Good morning.
Thank you.
People who have joined this workout for the first time, you can just unmute and introduce yourself.